Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una, gusto ko magpasalamat sa Panginoon Diyos sa pagtitipong ito at binigyan kami ng pagkakataon na makarating ulit dito sa championship ng Philippine Cup. And binigyan na rin kami ng pagkakataon na i-defend yung crown namin last All-Filipino Cup. But a lot of people expecting us na we will dominate the game, but for me, it's not that easy because alam niyo naman na after winning a championship, a lot of teams is thinking how to get that championship out from our side, and makikita naman natin na almost all the teams in the PBS is deserving to be in the finals, especially at Token Tex, and they're playing really well, especially in the last series nila. And last time around, we won the championship not because of a lot of effort sa amin, but maybe because they have a lot of players na hindi nakapaglaro because of some injuries, but that's part of the game, But this time, I'm expecting a very tough opponent because, siyempre, if natalo ka ng championship ganyan, so ang thinking mo is how to get back, But in our part, every game, every championship, we want to win. And maybe this series will be an exciting game. And matutuwa nito ang crowd dahil mapapasaya na naman natin sila. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat.